elevator at JCPenney, Valley West Mall. Got a Star City Elevators here.
Hi.
Be my guest. Controller and pump unit are completely original, except for the fixtures.
I'm gonna get that bell light up.
It's just a simple innovation, Chime. Just had a motor
Fixture is
replaced.
original though.
Everything's original except for the fixtures. And that lantern is original.
There's the Montgomery logo.
Kone sensors. Montgomery.
UL and no door close button.
Nope. Door closes when you push the button. We all like that.
She gave us a weird look.
Basic style JCPenney elevator. Should probably get off. There's your Buns Innovation Universal. Montgomery dependable elevators, capacity 5,000 pounds. Certificate has not been updated in 2 years. Set it up and hear the motor.
GMP logo. Where's the interlock? Oh, just standard MAC equipment.
Yep. And that's it.